How to reset password on WeChat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset password on WeChat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, you can tap on the login button to log in. After you've logged in, what you'll then need to do is just tap on the Me button on the bottom right corner. After you tap on Me, you will see different options here. You will see your profile, you will see settings and other stuff. To change or reset your password on WeChat, tap on Settings. On your settings, after you tap on it, you will see different options. To reset the password, select Account Security. After you tap on Account Security, you will see the password on the top. Simply tap on Password, and now you can set a new password by typing in your old password. So simply type in your old password, then your new password, and then confirm the new password by typing it again. Then tap on the Done button on the top right corner. After that, you'll have reset your WeChat password. If you do not remember your old password, tap on the Forgot Password button to reset it using a verification. And that's basically how you reset password on WeChat. Thanks for watching guys. That's basically all for today's video.